You know, when we reach a certain level of success and development or career level, we like to keep the distance. And what other cultures do, and what is great, and the reason I'm here, is that sharing only makes knowledge more. It only makes success more. It's fundamental for every entrepreneurial ecosystem to have more experienced and less experienced people into whatever subject, be it into fundraising or marketing or whatever, interact, because this is how the entire ecosystem grows together.
What I really liked about the program is that it's very structured and that it kind of forces you, but in a nice way, to reevaluate your very basic idea and to look into the market. Is there a problem? What does the customer need or want? And that's something, even though it's obvious that you should look into it, you sometimes just oversee it because you're so focused on the solution.
We got some harsh feedback, some very direct feedback. And I think it wasn't easy to accept that, but I think we accepted it actually and learned from it, and we were able to improve our product by doing so.
I would recommend it to everybody who has an idea, is not too sure how to turn it into a business, because at HHL you will find out, will you be able to turn your idea into a business model, or do you need to fine-tune, or maybe you try something else.